Hello everybody, welcome to my first ever Minecraft video on the channel. Today we're gonna be playing I forget what it's called. Death runs. I'm gonna be trying out some death runs and let's see if it goes well. And let's hope we get this. Let's hope we do a good job. No, I don't want auto. Alright, let's go. Here. And I personally recommend doing third person mode. It's like way easier for me, but it doesn't have to be for you. Oh shoot. And yeah. And if you want to know, this is in the Hive. One of my first Minecraft maps. My first Minecraft map I went into. But it's not mine, it's somebody else's. And yeah. So let's see. Oh, we're already not at a very good start. And there's a leap and a player visible option. Like if somebody keeps getting in your way, you can do invisible and invisible and small for this. And the leap I just did is the feather. Dude, are these people slacking or what? Like this, look, like if I'm gonna wait until there's like a big jump. See this and you're afraid they're gonna get you, you can just leap over. Oh, I'm catching up. And I can't touch the water. Oh, shoot. Yep, you can't touch the water. That's all I needed to know. And for some ones, alright, alright, so that one was that one, I guess. And if the game is taking forever to start, there's like a little parkour session over here. Oh, I'm a troller. I call it troller because like you like to watch them fail and stuff. This one, oh, this is my favorite one. Look. And you get super speed. I'm just gonna tell him to go. leave like I did. How? He hit that block though. Come on. Gas. You're not supposed to like walk down there like nothing's gonna happen. They're like, oh, nothing's gonna happen today. I don't like that. Like when they're doing it, like whenever that happens to me. Alright, so yeah. This whenever if you're the troller or whatever, you get to like a dead end, that means that portal right there, those are usually the checkpoints, but at the last one it's you get to spectator whatever. Oh yeah. And why is this my alright, there we go. Y'all already know what time it is. It's parkour time. Pa. Yes. Oh wow. Must have didn't know what to do. Oh, nope. Don't like that. Why instead of like these emerald looking things, why can't they just use, well, I guess like the slimes are for like landing pads. The slime blocks. Did they take like the magnemite block? Did they take the magna out of Minecraft? And the blaze? Cause I feel like I haven't seen them for a very long time. The magnemites and the blazes. Oh yeah, I have my look. I like ones like these. Wait, hold on. Cause when you go on them, you wait. When you do this, you go super fast. Oh, and the trollers, they're allowed to teleport to like the nearest person. Alright, pro tip, if the troller's ever there, do not go through the middle. I've tried it once. So always camp when you're at that part. Stay at the sides, cause they do have the power to take away the middle. Alright, time's almost up. Alright. And this is my first time playing Minecraft on a laptop. So, yeah. Because I would usually be playing on my Xbox. But I just decided, hey, why the heck not? Oh my shindeyu. Oh. Imagine just camping there at that spot I landed in the whole game. Oh, and for Sky Wars, if you're trying to build, always do this, because you can't fall off the sides. Oh, I am the big cheese. And these are like gas, like the zombie gas. I'm nowhere near the bridge opening. No! I'm saving my leap for that one jump now. If I get to. Of course. So anyways, how are you all doing? Zero kills, 7 deaths, 4 checkpoints hit, 48 experience. I always get stopped at that one point. I don't know. Up. I wonder if that trap light